Hi everyone, good morning. This is Akanksha Bali, an IS 743 Human Resource Consultant, and today I present to you my video on human resource management that was my scope of work for Fairshake, an international organization based in Calcutta, India. I hope you enjoy watching this as much as I like putting it together.
Before I dive into the scope of work for this human resource project, I would like to share my understanding of human resources. It involves establishing policy, practices, and administrative structure that focus on the most valuable resource, which are the people. Recruiting, screening, or hiring, as may be called, is an integral part of human resource management. And for this scope of work, I was asked to focus on this aspect of human resources. Moving on, here is a brief overview of my assignment as a consultant. I was asked to analyze the scope of work, identify a few key challenges that I foresee in addressing the scope of work, explain in a stepwise fashion how I would go about addressing the scope of work, and finally describe the deliverables that I would produce. Before I go any further, I would like to familiarize you with Fairshake so you can better understand their need for hiring or recruiting more professionals. Fairshake is a community health and development NGO that is located in Calcutta, India. It provides initiatives in healthcare, environment improvement, education, empowerment, and financial inclusion. Presently, it reaches 400,000 people in 55 slums. It aims to increase its college education support from 400 to 5,000 children over the next 3 years. At the same time, it also plans to reach nearly 600,000 slum dwellers with its services. This, I believe, is a huge number. In order to achieve its goals of expanding coverage, Fairshake requires a dynamic, creative, and dedication communications and fundraising person who would join their leadership team. Here is a background of the situation. The assistant director that they are looking to hire would help the director in business development and approaching fund agencies. However, their efforts have met with little success, and so far they have interviewed a lot of candidates but have been unable to find a suitable one with the kind of experience and qualification that the organization is looking for. Hence, they urgently need to fill this position. As a human resource consultant, my scope of work is therefore to help the organization in recruiting a suitable assistant director. In order to recruit an assistant director, I have highlighted a few key areas that fall under my scope of work, and these include assessing the current requirements and expectations of the organization. I would need to understand and also develop a clearer job description than already exists. I would need to research suitable channels for communication and advertisement, and also design a job advertisement that would help the organization facilitate recruitment. Here, I have listed a few key challenges that I foresee in implementing the scope of work. Number one is communicating with the organization. Having to work out of Boston, sometimes the time difference between the two countries could be difficult, and also making sure that I contact a single person and have a one point contact with the organization will also be critical. Second would be getting information on the background of the organization because currently it does not tell everything about the organization. So before I deal with this project, it is very important that I know more about the goals, objectives of the organization. And finally, there are a couple of gaps in the job description. It is not really succinct and clearer that would help convey the message that they want to. The salary is not clearly mentioned, whether it is per month or annually. There has been no mention about insurance or fringe benefits for the employees, whether there is any scope for promotions, what is the kind of employee age that they're looking for, and what are the prospects of on job learning that an employee would want to know about. Having described the key challenges in the scope of work, here are the steps on how I would address the same. Number one, I would contact the organization. Number 2, I would understand organizational capacity and structure. Number 3, I would then work on making the job description more clearer and succinct than it now exists. Number 4, I would then brainstorm ideas and research on increasing recruitment for the organization, like newspaper advertisements or even radio. Finally, I would design a job advertisement to facilitate recruitment. Here are the deliverables that I would produce. Number 1, a clearer job description. Number 2, job advertisement flyers that would be useful for advertising in local newspapers and even distributing to agencies. Number 3, I would also work on making a training manual for a new employee because I feel that would help the employee better orient to the organization and fit into the scheme of things as work flows.
I thank you for your patient hearing on this presentation and look forward to further collaboration and work with Human Resource Project at Fairshake Organization. Thank you so much.